Let's dive straight into Chat Recap AI. If you're wondering if this new AI tool is worth your time, stick around because I'm going to cover 7 crucial things you absolutely need to know about it. First off, Chat Recap AI is changing the way we summarize and analyze conversations, and it's just been released. This software promises to make your chats and meetings more efficient by automatically summarizing key points, action items, and decisions. If you're tired of spending hours sifting through transcripts or notes, Chat Recap could be the solution you've been waiting for. Stick around, because by the end of this video, you'll know if it's really as good as it sounds. The interface of Chat Recap AI is incredibly user-friendly. You don't need to be a tech expert to get started. After connecting your platforms like Zoom or Teams, the software automatically pulls in your chat data and generates a clean, easy-to-read summary. That's right, no need to go back and forth looking through long transcripts. Everything you need is neatly summarized for you. Now, let's talk about its core feature, intelligent summarization. Chat Recap AI uses advanced natural language processing to pull out the most important aspects of any conversation. It highlights action items, decisions, and key discussion points, saving you hours of work. Whether it's a client meeting, team brainstorming session, or project update, Chat Recap AI ensures you never miss the critical details again. What sets it apart from other tools on the market is its ability to not only summarize the conversation, but also give you the ability to track follow-ups. With built-in reminders and automated notifications, you can stay on top of tasks and deadlines without manually creating to-do lists. It's like having a digital assistant that works 24/7 to keep your conversations organized. One of the most impressive aspects of Chat Recap AI is its adaptability. Whether you're in a business environment, education, or casual settings, it customizes summaries based on your needs. This isn't a one-size-fits-all tool. It's designed to cater to different types of users and conversations, which makes it a versatile choice for anyone needing chat recaps. Another crucial benefit is its integration with other platforms. Chat Recap AI seamlessly connects with popular communication tools like Slack, Microsoft Teams, and even Google Meet. This level of integration ensures you don't need to switch between apps to gather summaries or key points. You can just focus on the conversation, knowing Chat Recap is working in the background to capture everything. And here's a big one. It's free to try. That's right. You can test out Chat Recap AI with no strings attached through the link in the description. If you're on the fence, this is the perfect chance to see how it fits into your workflow without any commitment. Now, the software isn't perfect. Some users have mentioned it struggles with nuanced conversations or informal speech, so if you're having a casual chat, it might not pick up on all the details accurately. But that's to be expected with any AI tool, and the team behind Chat Recap is constantly updating it to improve those nuances. As we wrap up, I just want to remind you that there are thousands of AI tools out there, but after trying and testing them, I've narrowed down a list of the best ones for you to check out in the description below. I highly recommend giving them a try if you're serious about leveling up your productivity and digital workflow. So, to sum it up, Chat Recap AI is an excellent tool for those looking to streamline conversations, improve task management, and save time. With its powerful AI, integrations, and easy-to-use interface, it's one of the best tools released this year. Give it a go through the free trial in the description and see if it's the game changer your workflow has been waiting for.